is Rahul and welcome back with the another vlog. The thing is like today I've got the one of the most interesting and surprise for myself, and that is the new exhaust for my Interceptor 650, and you can have a look. Actually, this is a box I have got. On this sheet it's all the details of my location, and this is a letter from which this is a bill letter, I think so, which I've got from the AEW. Okay, and this is a box we have opened, and we got two compartments of water silencer, and in this box we have got the exhaust like this, and this is the exhaust element right over here. You can have a look over there. I want you to be this side, Anveshana, and video is recorded by the Anveshana, and it has been wrapped with the foil. Okay. But after opening, we can have a closer look at what are the things.
Careful.
Yeah. I think as damaged. This is an element, I think so, which is useful to fit the exhaust in place. We'll keep that aside. And directly, I will show you do-it-yourself DIY how to get the things fixed to your bike, and I'm gonna use the stock toolkit which we'll be getting by the Interceptor 650 toolkit, that's one. And stay tuned, I will show you how I'm gonna fit these things on the bike. Actually, we have to remove the three portions, the bolt right over here, and the second bolt, this one, and finally we have to remove this cover bolt also, as you can see. Spanners which we use is the 12 number spanners for opening this bolt right over here behind the footplate. And we'll be using the 12 number same spanner to remove these bolts also. Successfully removed the first exhaust at the end. Actually, this is really so heavy as compared to the AEW. This is so light, and it weighs like 6 kgs, I think so. And this weighs like 2.5 kgs. There is so much of the weight difference between both the sides. And to unscrew this screw, this bolt, which is behind this one, I'm gonna use the 13 number. You can see the 13 number bolt is used to unscrew this one, because this bolt is of different size and this one is of different size. That's the reason I'm gonna use this spanner. I didn't got the 13 number size spanner in the whole toolkit. This one only. Right now, without exhaust, how it's gonna sound, I will show you. In this one, we have got these plates also. These plates, we're gonna fix them like this right over here. So this one we're gonna fix it, and then we'll be fixing it to the bike. 4K. And right now we have installed the AEW on the one side, and we haven't removed the DB killers also. First of all, I will show you how it's gonna sound with the DB killer, and later on I will be showing you how it's gonna sound without DB killer also. And actually the process was so easy, but one more thing you're gonna do is you have to use you have to keep spare spanner, which the number is like 13 number spare, so that has been very useful. And because of the use of that only, it was so easy, and it was like butter smooth to remove the exhaust and to fix the new exhaust to this one. And actually it's gonna take up to 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes to do it yourself, fixing the exhaust. And we have installed the AEW with the DB now. It is a mild steel chrome, and you can see AEW India right over here. And the thing is, like, after turning on the engine for the first time, after installing the exhaust, you have to give a time for it to settle down for the ECU for about 10 minutes, so that the ECU gets attached to the bike's RPM, and after that you can rev it. First of all, you have to wait for the 10 minutes for an better ECU performance that will be not resulting in any kind of other fluctuations in your like the fuel injectors. That's right. And this is our stock exhaust sounds like. And now we have removed the DB killers also, and I'm going to show you how it's gonna sound without the DB killer.